Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel where I have decided to add you guys to my journey that started 7 years ago. I was motivated by my dad's juicing and healthy lifestyle of over 30 years. He was introduced to juicing by his cousin after 3 years of being sick and nothing was working. He got better because of this and still enjoys good health. Hope to see all of you on in the future. Today, I will be showing you how I make immune booster juice. Ingredients I will be using are pineapples, lemons, ginger and turmeric, all organic. Try to use organic if possible, otherwise wash with baking soda and vinegar. I sprayed my ingredients with organic distilled vinegar. I left this on for a few minutes before going ahead to soak in water. Wash off after 5 to 10 minutes, then I scraped off dry parts on my ginger and turmeric. I cut the ingredients into a bowl and went ahead to make the juice with my juicer. If you don't have a juicer, please use a blender. Add a little water and drain with cheesecloth, and voila! My juice is ready. If you like pulp-free juices, you can strain using a strainer. I start my day with a glass of this juice. Over the years, it has helped me keep the cold and allergies away. Leave a comment below and follow for more juice recipes with lots of health benefits.